Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Our tutorial on today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Agoda on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Agoda app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign into your Agoda account. Now on the screen, you can see options like home, my trips, deals, cards, and more. You have to go ahead and tap on more. Now under more, you can see few options like saved, Agoda VIP, my saved cards, Agoda cash, cashback rewards, point marks, coupons, messages, my reviews, etc. You have to go ahead, go below, scroll down, and go to information. Under information, you can see help center. Select help center, then a contact us page will appear. Now there's an option contact Agoda customer service. Just tap on it, then you can see Agoda customer service will open up on the screen. Now you just have to type your message there or select the kind of questions given or suggested on the screen like hotel policies or anything, and they're gonna reply instantly. And guys, that's it. That's how you contact Agoda on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.